In this tutorial, I'll show you how to record a video and upload it to your Google Drive. By the end, you'll have a video recorded on your device and successfully uploaded to your Google Drive using File Upload. First, record the video using your camera or any video recording app on your device. On your screen, open the camera or video app, tap or click record, capture what you need, and then stop the recording. Keep the camera steady, and if your app shows a timer or red indicator, that confirms it's recording. When you're done, stop the recording to finalize the clip. Next, save the video on your device. Most camera apps save videos automatically, but if you see a save, done, or a checkmark button, click it to confirm. If your app asks for a location, choose the default video or movies folder so it's easy to find later. Notice if it saves automatically, make a quick note of where it went. Often it's in videos, movies, DCIM, or the app's own folder. This will help you locate the file during the upload step. Now, open Google Drive in your web browser. Go to drive.google.com. Wait for the main Drive page to load so you can see your folders and files. Keep this tab open for the upload. From here, click the New button in the top left corner of Google Drive. A menu will appear. Click File Upload. This opens your computer's file picker so you can choose the video you just recorded. Select the video, then click Open. In the file picker, navigate to the folder where the video was saved. Click once on the video file to highlight it, and then click Open. As soon as you do, Google Drive will begin the upload. You'll see an upload panel appear. It's usually in the bottom right corner, showing the file name and a progress bar. Larger videos can take longer, so let it run. Avoid closing the browser tab while it's uploading to prevent interruption. Once that's done, watch for the upload complete confirmation in the upload panel. At this point, the video is in your Google Drive. You should also see the file appear in your Drive's file list in the main window. If your drive is sorted by last modified, it may pop to the top as soon as the upload finishes. If you don't see it immediately, give it a moment and the list will refresh. To recap the workflow you just followed on screen, you recorded a video using your camera or app, saved the video on your device so it was easy to locate, opened Google Drive in your browser, clicked New and then File Upload, selected the video, and clicked Open to start the upload. The key is knowing where the video was saved so you can select it quickly, and then letting the upload complete without closing the tab. That's it. Your video is now recorded, saved, and uploaded to your Google Drive using File Upload, and it's ready to access from any device where you use Google Drive. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.